Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sneha Jaiswal, infertility and IVF specialist. IVF has always been criticized. IVF को लेके लोगों के मन में कई डाउट्स रहते हैं. जैसे ही IVF की बात आती है, डॉक्टर मुझे IVF नहीं कराना. कुछ भी बोलो बट IVF मत बोलो. मैं ऐसे ही रह लूँगी बट मुझे IVF नहीं कराना. You can undergo innumerable times of follicular monitoring. You can take lots of medicine. You can undergo many a times IUI. But IVF की जैसे ही बात आती है, you take a step back. Why such an outlook towards IVF? IVF is a very smooth, painless, and it is the most rewarding procedure. Today we are going to talk about the advancement in IVF. IVF जब शुरू हुआ था, then definitely I agree the results were very low. But modern techniques have come into our practice which has drastically improved our results. Now I will discuss few of those advancements in IVF. Number 1. Previously जब हम IVF करते थे तो हम Day 3 embryo transfer करते थे. But now we have switched to blastocyst और Day 5 embryo. Day 5 embryo का potential ज़्यादा होता है compared to Day 3 to implant. So the lab which are practicing Day 5 embryos culture, they are giving promising results. Number 2. पहले जब IVF स्टार्ट हुआ था, it was fresh cycle transfer. What does it mean? जैसे कि अगर आज आपका पिकअप हुआ है तो 3 दिन बाद आपका ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता था, एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफ़र. But now the freezing techniques have improved so much that we can freeze your embryo in this cycle and you can undergo embryo transfer after a month or 2. Number 3. Sometimes what happens, the embryos are not healthy, they are unhealthy. Now the PGS, that means pre-implantation genetic screening has come, which helps us to select the healthy embryos. And these embryos have better potential to implant into your womb. Number 4. The use of ICSI, like IMSI, these have also improved our results. Previously it was only IVF fertilization rates were low, but with ICSI the fertilization rates have improved. Hardly there is around 10 to 15% of the cases where there is failed fertilization. Number 5. Sometimes the embryo, you put the embryo but your uterine lining is not ready to accept it. The time frame is not matching. So we have the studies, we have techniques to know the genes involved in that. With the help of ERA test, we can find out the exact timing when your womb lining is ready to accept your embryos. So with these advances, IVF results are going up. So choose IVF if it is needed. Don't be shy.